Hey everyone, hope you all have a good day today. For today, I'll be breaking two Panini Select 2020 football blaster box. I guess you can find 3 blaster exclusive blue prism die cut per box. Maybe autographs, hopefully. And then a silver prism per box on average. So there are 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, so that's 24 cards. Alright, so let's rip them up. Okay, we have a few more days before the draft, so I guess each day this week I will just do football only all the way until the draft day. So, alright, so let's do the first box here. First box. We have 2 special guests for today. Jim Kelly, 4-time Super Bowl, but did not win a single one. So, great quarterback, great players, great person, very friendly. And then I got this a few years ago. Arizona Cardinal running back Johnson. Alright, so this is the second pack. Alright, so we should find 3 blue prism and 1 silver. Alright, so let's go with the first box right here. I have no idea what they look like. Haven't seen any of these stuff yet, so let's okay. Carson Wentz. It's nice. Rookie. Co-commit. Turbocharged. Barry Sanders. Ooh. It's a nice one. I guess that's a special one. And Denzel Mims, rookie. Okay. I do like the design of this line. This is my first time ripping open a select. Never done one before, because this is my first time I'm getting back to the hobby. It's been a while. Alright, Peyton Manning, Broncos. Okay. Well, here we go. Darrington Evans, rookie card. This is nice. Oh wow, I like this. And Donnell Mooney, rookie card. And you get Josh Allen. These are very nice. Oh, so this is the blue prism die cut. All right. So is this a number by any chance? Or just die cut, huh? I don't know, I like this. Really like the design. The die cut's cool. Alright, we're James Robinson, rookie. Antonio Grand, rookie card. My team, Washington. I'm gonna put him in here. Dak Prescott, hot star. And Khalil Mack. This is very similar to the Prism line, but for some reason I like this more than Prism. But it's just me. Ooh! Yes! Joe Burrow, rook card. Okay, sleeve this guy up. Alright, So the first box is pretty nice. Very nice. We got Russell Wilson. And die cut. CD Lamb. Nice. And Darrington Evans. Okay. Wow. This is really nice. I might try to get my hand on more of these. But so far, the first box is pretty good. Pretty good so far. Michael Pittman, rookie. It's a rookie die cut, DeAndre Swift. Oh, that's cool. Troy Polamalu, select. These are cool. And then Michael Thomas. The design's a little bit different. I wonder if that, sorry, just want to share. Okay. And this is the last pack for the first box. Jerry Rice. And I guess this is the silver. Justin Jefferson, silver. I guess that's a silver prism. And it's the rookie. Ooh, what? What is this? Austin Jackson. Rookie. Wow. So that's a blue prism. And then you got Brandon Ayuk, rookie. Justin Jefferson, silver prism. I'm going to just leave that guy out. These are a beautiful card. Pretty nice first box. All right, this is box number 2. Chase Claypool. Drew Lock. Lamicka Perrine, rookie. This is cool too. Look at this. These die cut are really nice. Huh. And that one looked different from the other ones. And Jason Huntley, rookie. A lot of rookies card in this line. Okay, we got Dak. Well, Gabriel Davis die cut. He's a. Alright, I'm going to put Justin over there. Julio Jones, Hot Star. And CD Lamb, rookie. These die cuts are cool. I don't see any number, so I'm not sure if they're number or not, but I would check them back later. DeAndre Swift, rookie. Devin Chelsea, rookie. Here we go. Drew Lock die cut. Very similar to this one. And Dobbins, rookie. All right. Second pack is pretty good. Second box is pretty good too. Get Hamler, rookie. Odell. T. Higgins, Turbocharge. And Shrikon Barclay. Okay. Alright, we got Gabrielle Davis. Emmitt Smith. Ooh. 2 die cut in this one. Whoa. Oh, this is number 2. Holy cow. This is the Emmitt Smith number 25. 8 out of 25. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, Jalen Hurts. Tony Gibson. What? This is a solid. Jalen Hurts. I like him a lot. Even though he's in my same division as my team, but I just want to see if these are numbers or not, sorry. So Emmitt is number. Oh, these are just... Alright, oh, these are regular, sorry. Just want to make sure. Alright, last pack. Not bad at all for box number 2. Alright, so we got Connor. Malcolm Perry. Rookie. Perry. And Brian Edward, Raiders. I don't remember seeing a silver prism for this second box. I'm going to check real quick, sorry. I don't remember seeing one. Nope. Huh, okay. But we have a number one. No, here we go. Here's a silver one, sorry. This is a silver prism right here. I see. All right. So, okay. All right, so that's not bad, right? 2 box. Quite a few hits, really. Different insert here. Really nice. Emmitt Smith die cut 8 out of 25. Justin Jefferson silver prism rookie card. And Joe Burrow rookie card. You got Jalen Hurts die cut right here. And then you got these blue prism right here. So I would say, you know, I think this is pretty good for the 2 box. They are Blaster exclusive. No autographs, but still pretty good, solid box. I might try to get my hand on more of them. Hopefully. Anyway, all right, so this is day 1 until the draft day. We got 3 more days until the draft, so I would do a football every day this week. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.